Hey guys. Anyway, I have an unboxing. It's from a Osunby. Sunby. I'm terrible at it. Osunby. It's a LED grow light. I had a fluorescent tube grow light in my bathroom for my orchids, and it went out. And so I decided I'd just upgrade a bit and do a LED that has a broader spectrum. And it just came today, really boxed well. Nice and thin. And this wasn't too bad a price either. The reason why I got it was because it was cheaper. Not expecting a whole bunch. Let's see, this thing list price was 40 bucks, and I was able to get it for $27.99. Of course, I do have the Prime on Amazon. So first off, I got the cord. It plugs right in. This is nice, lightweight. If this works out great, there's a chance I might order one or two more of these. That's it for the inside the box. It's got the bubble wrap. It's got the user manual. I'll do a snapshot of this for you guys in case you're interested. This is, like I say, very lightweight. It does have the, I guess they call them picture hangers or something like that on the back, so you can hook this chain up to it. Which is actually a nice hook and wires. It's got the 4 catches, and I don't know if it's normal, but they sent an extra one in case one of these break, I do believe. Let me get these things on here. I'll show it to you. There you have it. So where's this thing plug in at? Let's plug her in and I'll show you what it looks like. I'd say that's approximately 5-foot cord on here. There we go. Let's take it inside and take a look at it. Okay, this is what I had before. This is where the fluorescent light was in. Just a plant bulb, I guess we'll call it. And it did okay. But now let's see about taking this off and installing my new light. So here you go. I was able to use my original stand. Put this up a little bit because it's adjustable. That lets these strings down, and so that worked out great. And let's take a look at the, there you go. I don't know how well this camera can pick up the different colors, but it's red, pink, and blue for what I see. And we'll see just how well that works out for my orchids. So here I'll give you a quick look. You can stop the camera as you'd like, or you can look it up online and see what it has to say. And there you go.